Hey guys, this is Steve Huff, and I'm here today with the Ace Frehley Budokan Les Paul from Gibson. This is the Gibson, not the Epiphone. Now I've tried both. They're both fantastic. The Gibson just is a little bit more better in my opinion after holding both. So as a Christmas present to myself, that's what I bought, even though I'm not really a great guitar player. I don't really know much. I just been fooling around with them for a few years, maybe 3, 4, 5 years, sporadically on and off. So I just know a few notes, few scales, a couple chords. But I use it as a stress release. But I've always been a Kiss fan, so when Gibson released the Ace Frehley Budokan, I was tempted, and then when they came down in price, I was tempted even more. And then when I got a coupon I could use for it, I was tempted even more. So I got this at a great deal, especially for a Gibson USA model, and it's gorgeous. And the tones out of this thing, just coming out of this Fender Super Champ X2, if I knew how to play like Ace, it would sound like Ace. It's got that tone, and I really like it. It sounds really good. So. Excuse me, I'm yawning because it's early in the morning for me. But I'm gonna sit here, and I'm still in my pajamas, so excuse the sweatpants and t-shirt. But I'm gonna play a little bit. Maybe my dog will sit with me. He's kind of hard of hearing these days. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the Ace Frehley Budokan Les Paul. It's a beautiful guitar. And while some say the Epiphone model is more correct because it has the burst on the back, I don't know why this one doesn't, but this one does feel and sound much better. The pickups in this one seem like a higher output to me. When I compared them side by side in the store, I'd have to turn up the volume on the Epiphone to match this one by quite a bit. So, but they were both great, and the Epiphone was a great deal. They had it for like $650. So I'm just going to noodle around a little bit to give you guys a demo. Like I said, I'm not some professional player. I barely play at all, actually. Just noodling around. So just want to show you guys what it looks like. Awesome.